Welcome back to another video, guys. We actually have some plans today to work on the 350. First, I'm going to finish the video, edit that, and put that up so you guys can watch that. And then when that's loading, I'm going to go outside and wash my car because it's a little bit dirty at the moment. And then after that, we actually get into the exciting stuff. We are going to be installing a Sparko wheel and a couple NRG products today, so I'm actually really excited to do that, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, she's pretty dirty, so I think that she needs a car wash. You know, you can't do Veronica wrong like that. So we're actually going to get this cleaned up, and then after that we're actually going to start getting into the install today. Alright, so we just got back from the car wash. I'm going to take a couple extra minutes on going through the car and wiping everything down just to make sure that it's clean and there's no like spots or anything on the car. So we'll get to that first and then we'll head over and start doing the steering wheel to it. Alright, so what are we doing today, D?
We're doing a car ride.
A car ride? What are you talking about, bro? What are we doing, man?
I forgot.
You forgot? Are you serious? No. We're doing a quick release and a quick hub with a Sparko wheel today, which I'm super pumped about, so let's get into it. First off, we're actually going to unplug this battery because the last thing that I want is for the airbag to blow up in my face. So that's the last thing, so.
My name is Ryan, I got a party in my pants.
Hold up. Ryan's World.
Ryan's World. Ryan's World.
Ryan's
Ryan's World.
Ryan's World. The moment of truth.
Will it come off?
Alright, so we got the 2 bolts off. We are actually going to take this off. The moment of truth of all the goodies underneath.
Is the airbag gonna come off, Dad?
No, probably not, bro. But, so we're going to take these off. Ask me if I've ever done this before. No. I've never done it.
I'm disappointed in you. Oh God, dude.
There we go.
Way better than last time, Dad.
I don't want this to drop. Oh, boom! Look what we did, boys. Look what we did. Alrighty, let's move on.
Oh, I nutted.
Oh, dude. Dude, that was so hard, bro. I got like a cramp right here, dog. Good stuff. Real good stuff, man. Maybe in the future, I don't know though.
Yo, Mac Daddy, what's good?
You already know, boy. So we got all the wiring done, and since we got the wiring done, we are actually going to take these 6 bolts, get it pretty much nice and snug on here, and from there we're going to be able to get our steering wheel ready, and then we can be able to test to see if the airbag light and if the horn works. Alrighty, so once you get this all nice and tight, you will take your quick release and you'll go left a little bit and it'll align perfectly with all the energy signs. What you will do next is you will take your wheel that you bought that is compatible with this. So I will actually take this, get it all ready, just pretty much just put all these bolts on. You kind of get the point of it. Once you get all these bolts on, you will be looking pretty much just like this as your final quick release and quick hub setup, which is, in my opinion so far, amazing. I'm pretty hyped on how it turned out and the quality of the products that I received. So what we're going to do now is my friend Daniel is tightening back up the battery, which is good now. And what we will do, don't forget to put the pad back on. Yeah. What we will do now is we will turn the car on and we will see if there's a airbag light on. Alrighty, so we're gonna actually go ahead and we're gonna see if this will work. It doesn't look like the airbag light's on, so we actually did all the wiring correct. Alrighty, so I ended up going to get a female connector for the steering wheel to be able to try and see if it actually works and see if I did the wiring right. So just a little test real quick. If I push this, it should work. Alrighty, so that's awesome. I'm actually pretty hyped that turned out good. I've never really done wiring before, and it actually turned out really good, so I'm actually pretty hyped about that. So I want to thank everybody for watching again. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.